Merry Christmas, everybody! It's that time of year again we celebrate the birth of Jesus. Of course, Jesus was Jewish, so today we'll be making a traditional Jewish Christmas cheesecake. We'll go ahead and preheat the oven to 300 degrees. We'll begin by mixing the ingredients up for the crust. We have 1/3 cup of melted butter, a cup and a half of crushed oyster crackers, and whatever kind of seasonings you feel like dumping in there. Once those are mixed, we'll spread them on the bottom of a springform pan. Once that's done, we'll begin making the topping. Our ingredients will be 2 cups of cream cheese, 8 ounces of finely chopped low-sodium Spam, 3 beaten eggs, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and about yay much of chopped green onion. First, we'll lightly beat the cream cheese. Then we mix in the rest of the ingredients. Once those are mixed, we'll pour the topping over the crust in the springform pan. We'll just drop it on the counter a few times to get the air out. It's a cheesecake thing. Now we place it in the oven, and we'll let that bake at 300 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes. After an hour and 15 minutes, it's done, so we'll turn off the oven, and we'll leave it to cool inside the oven with the door cracked. And there you have it. It's that quick and simple to make a delicious, traditional Jewish Christmas cheesecake. Merry Christmas, everybody. Enjoy. Till next time.